In this video, we will discuss the Answer Key 2021 Scholastic Aptitude Test Stage 1 Chemistry section. When lead nitrate is heated, a brown gas is evolved. The evolved gas is dioxygen, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide or dinitrogen. So correct option is the second one, nitrogen dioxide. This is activity 1.6 in the NCERT. When a solution of lead nitrate and potassium iodide are mixed, a yellow precipitate is formed. The precipitate is of KNO3, KCl, PbI2, PbI4. So answer is PbI2. Activity 1.2 of this first chapter, lead nitrate, potassium iodide forming lead iodide and KNO3. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and oxalic acid, sodium carbonate and tartaric acid, sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid, sodium carbonate and oxalic acid. So answer is the third option, sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid is the mixture which is present in baking powder. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 in the ratio of, answer is 3:1. That is the first option is the correct one. And this question is taken from the third chapter. What happened when metal reacts with an acid in do you know point. Next question, when concentrated H2SO4 is added into ethanol, then dehydration reaction takes place, that is loss of water, and ethene will formed. So this is the first option, and this question is from the carbon and its compound. This year this is a deleted topic, but then also question is framed from this topic. Next, denatured alcohol is a mixture of, now different options are given, but denatured alcohol is a mixture of methanol and ethanol. So to make it unfit for drinking, methanol is added into ethanol. For welding, a mixture of oxygen and, option is ethine, fourth one, is used. This mixture is used for the welding purpose. Next, arrange the following in an increasing order of their metallic character and choose the correct option. So option given to you is beryllium, silicon, potassium and aluminium. Now potassium is the most metallic, so it must be at the maximum point. Correct option can be second or the fourth one. Now all the last two are the same, potassium and aluminium, but after that the most metallic will be beryllium, and then the silicon, which is a non-metal, so possess the least metallic character. So answer second is the correct one. Since we have to arrange them in increasing order, so silicon is a non-metal, we can say in the least one, and then towards the metallic, potassium possess the maximum. Next question, which of the following oxides is insoluble in water? Na2O, CuO, K2O, CaO. What is the common point between the three? The three are the alkali oxide, that is metal oxide. They all are soluble in water. So copper oxide is the odd one out, and it is insoluble in water as well as in alcohol. Which of the following oxide turns red litmus into blue? Option are SO2, CO2, NO2 and K2O. So again, what is the common point between all the oxides? The three are the acidic oxides, and because they are the non-metal oxides, and the fourth one, KO2, is a metal oxide which is a basic one. So answer correct option will be the KO2, which is a basic oxide which turns red litmus blue. Which of the following element does not show allotropy? Phosphorus, yes, 3 phosphorus allotrope exist, that is red, white and black phosphorus. Then sulfur also, different allotrope exist. Oxygen exist, but they are less stable. So answer is the fourth one, aluminium, which does not show allotropy. Next question is, which one of the following has the largest number of atoms? Now number of atoms is, in 1 mole we can say 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms are present, that is in the molecular mass of the element. So in all the cases the weight given is the same, that is 100 gram. So when we put the value, we know that molecular mass of an element helium is 4 gram, which contains 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. So now 100 gram will contain this much amount divided by that 4 gram, that is molecular mass comes in division. So if greater the molecular mass, lesser will be the number of atom will be present, because 100 gram is fixed for all the 4 options. So in all the cases, helium, sodium, lithium and aluminium, helium possesses the least molecular mass, hence it will possess the maximum number of atoms.